Good morning, serious people of this classroom.
Jack, you are so funny today.
That is the best joke already. Thank you, my loyal fans and friends.
Jack, are you teaching the class today?
Yes, teacher. I teach advanced nonsense.
Then sit down, Professor Nonsense.
Class dismissed. Please laugh on your way out. He jokes all the time, even this early. That is just Jack being Jack.
Open your English books, please.
Why are the words standing on their heads? Your book is upside down, Jack. I knew that. I was testing gravity. He looks tired behind that smile. He stayed up gaming again, maybe. Gaming? No, I was saving the moon. Something feels different about him today. Jack, please tell another joke. Why did the banana go to school? Why did the banana go to school?
Because it wanted to split the homework.
That is terrible, but I still laughed. Terrible jokes are my special art. No doubt. Why did he look sad just now?
I am sorry, Jack. Money is tight again.
It is okay, Mom. Please do not worry.
Your father called. He cannot come home this week.
Again? He promised he would try.
He is trying to find work for us.
No problem. I can be the man of the house.
You are still a child, Jack.
A very small adult, then.
You do not have to make me laugh every time.
I know, Mom. I just want to help. I miss you so much, Dad. I am so tired of pretending. Jack, no joke for us today? Not today. I do not feel like it. Are you sick or something? No, I am not sick. Jack, are you really okay? I said I am fine, Emma. Okay, I just wanted to ask.
Jack, would you like to read first?
No, thank you. Not today. He always reads in a funny voice. This is not normal for Jack.
Something is wrong. I can feel it. Jack, wait for a moment. What do you want, Emma? I want to know if you are okay. I am always okay. I am comedy power. That was not a real joke. Please leave it alone, Emma. You do not have to laugh if you feel sad. If I stop laughing, people ask questions. Maybe that means someone cares about you. Do you really care about me? Yes, Jack. I care about you. My family is having problems right now. You can tell me if you want. My dad is away looking for work. My mom cries at night when she thinks I sleep. I am so sorry, Jack. I make jokes so Mom smiles. That is a lot for one boy to carry. I am so tired of being funny. Then rest. I will sit with you.
Jack, Emma, is everything all right here?
I am okay. I was just tired. Jack, maybe Miss Clara could help. I do not want everyone to know.
We can talk privately and quietly.
Okay. I think I need help.
Thank you for trusting us, Jack.
I do not want my mom to worry more.
Adults can help adults too.
Can you help my mom too?
We can try, and we will care.
Really? Could it help my family?
No student should carry this alone.
You need sleep, food, and less worry.
Do jokes count as food?
Only very bad jokes count.
Then I have a full meal. Jack is going through a hard time. I should have noticed sooner. We only asked him for jokes. Now we can be real friends to him. Hey, Jack. It is good to see you. Hey. I am glad you are here. You do not have to make us laugh today. Thank you. That means a lot. Dad, you came home. I missed you.
I am here now, son.
I do not have to hide behind jokes anymore. Real friends do not need me to laugh all the time.